Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be going back to the basics and we're going to be learning how to make Clickbank sales with affiliate marketing in 2018 and beyond. And the method I'm going to be teaching you today is not a new method by no stretch, but it is a method that is very underused. And it doesn't matter if you have a huge marketing budget, if you have a big list, or you have big influence in the space, you're going to be able to take this method and you're going to be able to basically ride off the momentum of Clickbank products and big launches, and you're going to be able to make sales. So for those that don't know me, my name is John McNeil. On this channel, I teach you all about affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and making money from home, you will definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the little John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen. And click that little bell icon so you don't miss any videos when I release them. So without further ado, let's just go back to the basics, guys. Let's learn how to make some Clickbank sales, and let's start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com. And like I said, we're going to be going back to the basics, and we're going to be doing a method that I like to call launch jacking, right? So some of the big launches that happen on Clickbank and JVZoo and Warrior Plus are all posted on this website called JV Notify Pro. I'm sorry, notifypro.com. And what you want to do is simply scroll down the page to where you actually see the launches, right? So you'll basically see the launches typically for like 3 months or so. But what you want to do is you want to be able to position yourself in front of a big launch. And you're going to be able to get traffic from that big launch, because these big launches create a lot of buzz and a lot of momentum in the space, because you have a lot of affiliates promoting it, because we know that they're going to convert from, marketers that have been around the industry, that have a lot of influence. You know that these products are going to convert. Therefore, if you are positioned in a way where you can get a piece of that traffic, you know what I'm saying, you can actually make a lot of money. So what you want to do is you want to go to JV Notify Pro, and you want to scroll down here to where you see all the different launches, and you kind of want to just scroll down to where you see launches that are happening 2 to 3 weeks out, from the day that you're looking at the product. So if I was scrolling down here and I say I'm looking at different product vendors and products, and I see on February 27th, Andy Jenkins, Mike Feel Same, and the product is called Contra. So I can click on that, and I know that these are big heavyweights in the internet marketing space. So this is going to be like a huge launch. And then I can go over here and I can click on their JV invite page, and it will basically give me a lot of information about, the product. Looks like it's going to be launching March 21st, and looks like, Frank Kern is a part of this as well. So this is going to be a huge launch. So basically, you're going to have the details of what is the product, the demos, swipes. You're going to be able to learn all about it. A lot of times they're going to have like pre-launch emails. They're going to have a lot of information. So you would just go here. You could sign up for, the email list to kind of keep updated. Sign up to be an affiliate, and then watch the videos. So once you have had a product that you have selected, so like this product isn't going to be actually launching for a few weeks out. So what you want to do is you want to prepare for this launch by creating videos around the product name. Because what's going to happen is once this product actually launch, and before the product actually launched, they're probably going to have like a lot of what they call like pre-launch videos. So they're going to have like videos warming people up to this software suite, giving people information about it, just basically giving good content. So what people will typically do is they are going to go on the online and search Google and YouTube for this product to look for reviews. So what you want to do is, prior to this product actually launching, you want to go and create YouTube videos around this product name. So it would be like contra review and bonus, just create, those different titles that are going to catch the attention of people that are going to be looking for, this particular product. Another good title would be, before you buy Contra, watch this video. So what you could do is basically you would go over to YouTube and you could create videos around that particular product. I'm going to go back to the list and actually pick out a product. So I think this was a pretty big launch, this 7-figure cycle product. So let's go and actually, okay, I have it here. So a 7-figure cycle review. So once I put in 7-figure cycle, you can actually see that there's 7-figure cycle review, 7-figure cycle bonus, webinar, JV. So these are people that are searching these keywords. So when I click on 7-figure cycle review, you're going to see a number of people that have been doing reviews for this particular product. And what you want to do is you want to be one of the first people to create the review product so that your videos will get the top rankings for the product, because the people that get the top rankings will typically get the majority of the traffic. So what people are going to do is they're going to type in 7-figure review. They're going to watch this video. They're going to see this guy's going to give them some bonuses, etc., etc. And you could see this person, they truly optimized this particular product because they created a specific channel, a YouTube channel, around the keyword 7-figure cycle review. So you can go in and say for Contra, actually create a whole nother YouTube channel and name the YouTube channel Contra Review and Bonus or something like that, and then create 5, 6, 7 different videos around the product, and you're going to get all the information from the actual JV page. And then the day when the product actually launched, you can actually purchase the product, yourself if you wanted to, and actually give them a walkthrough of the back office. And that'll even secure you more sales, because people are definitely going to buy somebody's actually have experienced the product and actually used the product. So again, you go to JV Notify Pro, you look out 3-4 weeks and you pick a product. You're going to pick a hot product because, it's going to be a lot of people promoting it. So then you take that product, you go over to YouTube, you create a YouTube channel around that product and create 5 videos talking about the product. You can split it up. You can do, Contra review and bonus. Before you purchase Contra, make sure you watch this video, and just give them as much content as possible. And then, of course, you want to be able to give them some bonuses. So you can basically, if you have your own products, you can give those as bonuses. If you are good at a particular skill set, you can give coaching for whatever. You could also just go over to PLR websites, master resale rights, websites, and just buy little cheap products and put those on a bonus page and load them up. So buy 5 or 6 of those little $5 products and just have different bonuses, so that people looks like you're just getting some value, and have those products be congruent with what this product is about, right? So that way, if you have 5 or 6 videos talking about, the product in the keywords, so it would be Contra review and bonus, Contra this, Contra that. Hopefully you'll start getting these top rankings because you've started so early and you're not waiting till the last minute. So you're going to optimize with the channel name. You're going to optimize with the titles. And then once you have about 5 or 6 videos on there, you could also jump over to Fiverr And this is another little ninja technique where you can go ahead and type in backlinks here and then search, like folks that will do backlinks for you. And you don't have to buy anything super expensive. You can just search by best selling, and you'll probably find a couple different cheaper gigs where, you can get some backlinks. And I would just buy a couple of these and send backlinks for like your YouTube videos. And that's just going to help your YouTube videos get ranked in Google more, help you get ranked better in YouTube as well. So ideally, what will happen is when you're preparing early, you're going to get those first rankings in Google and in YouTube for a big product launch, which will definitely get you a lot of traffic and make you some sales. So definitely nothing that is brand new, but it's something that people, don't do because they have to do a little bit of work ahead of time, and they have to do their research on these products here. But the research is pretty much easy. You can just basically, like I said, go to the JV page, read up about it. You can contact the vendor just to say, hey, I'm going to be doing some review videos. Can you give me a little bit of detailed information about this product? And, start creating those videos and have your videos, 5-6 videos in place, 2-3 weeks ahead of time. Get them backlinked on Fiverr, and then just wait for that traffic to come in, guys. And then once that traffic is coming in, they watch your videos, and then you recommend that they buy the product through your link, because you're offering bonuses, because you've given them a great review. The reciprocity will come in to effect, and they'll want to purchase from you because you gave them so much great content. So I hope that made sense, guys. That is how you can do some basic ClickBank sales. It works. And if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Leave a comment below if you do have any questions. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. So this is John from johnmcneil.com, and we will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.